Our YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Sean, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys the 52-inch brushed nickel Hampton Bay Hugger ceiling fan, manufactured back in January of 2017. Now, due to the fact that the file number for the fan is E75795, this ceiling fan was made by Air Cool. Now, this is installed in one of my, it's installed in my martial art instructor's sister-in-law's house and stuff, and this replaced the Windsor and Brown builder ceiling fan that I replaced. And I'm about to show you the Windsor and Brown builder ceiling fan that I replaced with this fan, so I'll be right to that fan. Now, as you can see that this fan is real dusty because it haven't been cleaned for years and stuff.
Oh, you talking about that fan? This fan ain't
Yes.
dust.
No, not that fan.
Oh, yeah, it ain't right.
Yeah, so about to show you the information and stuff about this thing. And I'm about to go back to the fan. Alright, so this fan right here, it is 3 speeds and it's electrically reversible. And it's really not a whole lot I have to say about these fans other than the fact that they sell these at the Home Depot for about $47 and some change. So I'm about to go on to demonstrate the light. So here it is. Now here's what it looks like with the light off. And here's what it looks like with the light on. So I'm about to go on and start it off with low.
Avocado game mattress. We're in this for good. For healthy people and a healthy planet. Give more than we take. That's why we're proud to be 1% for the planet's 2020 Pinnacle Award winner. To be a certified B corporation. To be organic. And to actually offset more carbon emissions than we would.
Now this fan right here, it has something like a slow low speed, something like some ceiling fan collector max's channel calls it an ecstatic low speed. But it's putting out a little breeze for it being on low speed. And then what I also forgot to mention is that it has 5 reversible blades from walnut, which is the side of the blades that's facing down, to maple. But I put the walnut side of the blades because my martial art instructor's in-law wanted the brown side of the walnut side of the blades facing down. So that's why I'm showing the walnut side of the blades and stuff. And this ceiling fan is versatile, meaning that it can be installed with or without a light kit. Now, if you remove the light kit off the switch cap, it's just gonna have an extra chain and stuff. And when I opened up the box, it didn't come with an LED bulb. So the LED bulb that I put on this fan came off of the Windsor Brown builder ceiling fan that I showed you guys and stuff. So I'm about to go on and put it on medium.
So this fan, so that's how medium it look.
Yeah, this medium. Yeah, them ceiling fans are pretty decent. Even though a lot of fan collectors that I talk to on the internet has a lot of hate for Hampton Bay fans and stuff. And modern fans and stuff because what happens is that due to the fact like when you go to the Home Depot and stuff, they took away all the bread ceiling fans and stuff, so now they just sell them in silver, bronze, and white.
Oh, that's all right there, right?
Yeah.
For the house, you know, it ain't no fancy house.
Nope.
So you can, it's just a house.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
But the walls, you know, I like these walls because they got a lot of
Details in it.
details. Yeah.
Yeah. And then as you can see that this fan is installed on the ceiling medallion, And the ceiling medallion
See, they
is
don't make these houses no more.
nope. Alright,
Nice house.
yep,
All it is no touch up.
yeah,
A new sink.
yep. So this,
Yes, Cheryl, go on finish what you doing.
alright. Yeah, so the ceiling medallion I got this fan installed on is original to the house. It's just that the ceiling medallion is made out of plaster and stuff, which is how they used to make them back then. Now they make the ceiling medallions that's made out of plastic that you can just literally just plaster them onto the ceiling. But other than that, I'm about to go on and put it on high. Now this ceiling fan here, it's blowing a lot of air even though it's a hugger type fan. Because a lot of hugger ceiling fans are known for not blowing that much air because due to the fact that the blades are closer to the ceiling and stuff, it chokes up the airflow and stuff. But I'm surprised this ceiling fan like this blows a lot of air. Yeah, but the downside about this fan is that the blades are made out of MDF and stuff. So the blades are MDF blades and not plywood blades. And then one thing about the MDF blades is that those blades are really easy to sag and stuff. And them blades will easily get warped due to the moisture in the atmosphere and stuff, or the moisture, however you guys want to put it. Like due to the moisture and stuff, like it'll cause the blades to sag over time and stuff. Due to the fact that the blades are MDF blades and stuff. But I'm about to go on and show you guys the air noise and stuff. Yeah, but other than that, I'm about to go on and turn it off. Now I generally don't do spin down. I generally don't show the spin downs on fans when I make fan videos, due to the fact that spin downs are not really my thing on ceiling fans and stuff. But I'm only showing it because I noticed that some ceiling fan people that be watching fan videos actually like to spin down and stuff. Like some ceiling fan collector named Dan Spiffy Newman. He actually likes spin downs on fans. But the ceiling fan spin down is not really my thing. But other than that, I'm about to go on and show this fan slowing down and stuff. And this ceiling fan was brand new in the box. And I had to come over here to install it. So I went on and installed it, and it is wobble free, meaning that the fan doesn't wobble at all. So other than that, this is, it doesn't wobble. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.